always sounding good in my best-looking neighborhood. 51, Bone, and more Bone on this west side, getting on down.
Hey, sounding good back my way also where Bone and more Bone. Hey, good evening there, T-Bone. Sounding good around this old Virginia line, 51 with that weekend wait.
Hey, fine business, 51. You have yourself a good one on this that fucking Labor Day weekend, man. Have a good one on Labor Day weekend. Sit back, relax, barbecue, and drink a few beers. Who knows? 51 Virginia. T-Bone out on this TJ border. I'm already relaxing and drinking some beers, and I'm gone. Yeah, I think I heard radio.
Hey, have a good night, T-Bone. Enjoy the weekend. We'll sit back here, drink his coffee, and look at the sunshine coming through the window. And this big old blue sky. Take care, Bone and more Bone. 51 Virginia. We're back out of the way.
Well, anyway, let me get my knees under the breeze. Letting you know what I hear on my radio out here on Central Coast of California from time to time. Later, Bone is right back. One man, Charles, mate.
I want to be. South because you're right on me. Unless you got the backside up there, but I'd say you got pointed more south toward me, or more southeast.
But you changed your audio to mimic that mason jar sound, and I don't know about you, and I don't know about anybody you talk to, but I tell you, it sounds better now on my radio than it's ever sounded. So you keep on with that mimicking sound, man. You got a 10-8 station, ain't no doubt about it. I'm gonna jump up in there one time and say hello to you. Dang cheeseburger, brother. I can get my knees up in the breeze.
I mean, you know, forever. I mean, I didn't even know 252 High Tower was on my Facebook. We got to talking one night, and it was,
Yeah, it sounds like Motormouth Mall gonna come up in here and knock some heads around.
he goes, yeah, and he tells me that.
He's got a big old hammer out there. T-Bone at Motormouth Mall because he always does. Take care of Bone 51 out again.
How about it there, Skip Land? How about it, 798 Camp Pelton? Waving, break.
0798, 51 Virginia.
Yeah, I heard you, and I heard the Mason Jar Man, and I heard a few other stations in there trying to roll up in here all at the same time, and it got real messy, man. But whoever's trying to holler back to Motormouth Mall, hello right back there to you. I heard you, and about 3 or 4 other stations rolling up in there, and then it got to the point where I couldn't do nothing with it, man. It just got to be crazy. So, yeah, that's what I hear out here. From time to time, a little bit of everything, every now and again. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, whatever.
I hear you in there, Troublemaker, 51 Virginia. Get in your way, Troublemaker, 51 Virginia.
Oh, man. I got everyone talking to Motormouth Mall now. Game Warden, Joe Gunn. Good Lord, Nicole, everyone's got 30 dB in my radio. Scary situation, I tell you that. T-Bone out on the TJ border. Yeah, it's a good border south.
I figured you did by the way you hit me.
I'm doing the best I can with this little Galaxy DX2527 to try to pull 1 or 2 of them out every now and then.